guys, ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? Namaste to one and all. I'm going to show the smartwatch in 1000 rupees. This is the smartwatch. This is just 1000 rupees and it's looking nice smartwatch. Now we will unbox it and see how is it. Now I'm going to unbox it. Just see it. See, I took it out. One pillow is there and one watch is there. That's all. In that box, more one cable is there. And that's it. With this cable, with this USB cable, we can charge our smartwatch through this USB cable, and we should connect to adapter and we should charge that. And I power on it. This is the home screen settings. Home screen. This is we can call from this watch, and so many features are there in this watch. We can call from this watch, and so many. I'll show you now. In this camera also there. Camera is 3 megapixel camera, and I'll show you specifications after this video at last. So watch the video till the last. See, more Bluetooth also there. BT calling, we can call from Bluetooth also. We can listen the songs from Bluetooth. The speaker is so small, so they give Bluetooth connection also. We can listen to Bluetooth also. And next, so many are there. In this WhatsApp, Facebook also there. These are the songs. We can keep the songs. Okay, so many. This is a Bluetooth. We can connect Bluetooth speaker to that, and we can listen the songs. Next, we will go to camera. This is the 3 megapixel camera. It's looking nice. Its clarity also super. I'll show you afterwards, guys. Yeah, this is the very nice one. You can see that WhatsApp also there, and it's asking to install WhatsApp. You can read that. See there's asking to install WhatsApp, and we have 3 watch faces. This one. Power off and show it. Now I'm going to power off it. Wait. No. I'll power off first. Yeah, I'm offing forward. Next, I'll open it and show. We can remove this back panel. We can remove, and we can keep one SIM and one micro SD card. We can extend memory. In this built-in memory 512 MB, and we can extend memory, and we can keep songs. I have songs in this my smartwatch, and this is the SIM, and this is the micro SD card. We can, and this battery is 110 mAh battery. This is 110 mAh battery, and these are the speakers. Side stereo speakers are there. That's not stereo, I think so. That's a basic speaker. For any watch it can be available. I'm on power on. This is the nice link is in the description. You can buy from that. Thank you, guys.
Please subscribe. Thank you.